What's up, everybody?
Today we're going to show you how to fix the white line that causes your air and everything to only work on defrost.
That bothers me.
Oh.
Keep going.
Oh, okay. Anyways, so we're going to show you that line. That way, if your air conditioning, heat, and everything stuck on defrost, then that way your blend door will work. So we'll go ahead and
First, want to comment on what app that is. Wins. I don't know what you win yet, but you win.
But yeah, we'll go ahead and show you what that is. The line. Okay, so the line is right here. This white one. Right there. And as you can tell, it's broken right there. And right there. But it goes back here, and I've already unplugged it, but it goes there. So you got to replace this portion here all the way, and then everything that's under the loom here, you'll have to cut that open and get to the good portion of it so you can slip a new rubber tube on it, because everything under here will be good. It's just everything out here from the heat and these things all leak under here a little bit when it rains, so all the weather gets down here and gets to these vacuum tubes and they become brittle. So that is the line you have to replace right here. Adam's trying to undo all that loom there so that we can get to the good part of the vacuum line, but we're scared to cut into it because, well, you don't want to cut your vacuum lines, so it's very fragile. Be very careful.
Oh, my hand's in the way.
Alright, after you've got that loom undone there, just cut the line off at,
look at it, find the cleanest spot.
Yeah, closest to the end, because you're going to want to be able to feed some new tubing over it. And then get you some rubber hose. So I got ahead of myself, and I went ahead and put it on there without showing it, filming it. But just feed your rubber hose on over your white line. I don't know, I've got mine in there probably 1.5 inches or so. Then I just went and electrical taped it on there. I'm sure there's a better way, but it'll be fine. So I electrical taped it on there. I'll put my tubing back, my looming back on over it. Maybe add a couple pieces of electrical tape to hold the looming down, covering it. Then on this end, I already had some vacuum elbows. You'll probably just want to get like a straight one to put in here, because you need to connect the old elbow back up to there, and you need to be able to get this connected to the old elbow. So I'm using the 90 degree that I already had, so you just stick that in that end. Yes,
We're just going to stick this in here, and then we're going to take this and we're going to stick it in this end, and then we're going to replug that back to the vacuum pod.
Yep, for your blend door. So we'll go ahead and do that real quick, and then we'll get to tidy all this up. I just rigged it up like that, and then it sits back here. See if I can get my big hands back here. I'm probably gonna have to rotate it around somehow. I think I'm gonna have to do it like that. Maybe. There we go.
It's challenging for us to big-handed folks.
Yeah, so we've got it all on there. And if this was my only vacuum leak preventing me from having just defrost, then I should see if that thing works. Okay, so after you got that done, cleaned up, we started the truck, I found another vacuum leak. So mine is currently still not working, but this is the most common line that breaks. The next one is this one.
Oh, I broke it.
That he just broke. It was on camera. So I've got another vacuum leak. So I've got to replace that line. But majority of the time, this is the line that's broke. If your
blender door is not
blender door, it's stuck on defrost. It's this line right here. I seen it on forums. Figured I'd throw a video out there on which one. It was the white line. So I've got to replace more and do that. But we're just going to leave the video at that. And at least it'll help you get that line replaced.
And we can do a follow-up video after we
get everything going.
Yeah.
But for now, just a quick little video for today. Okay, so hopefully it helped you on replacing that line. That's the most common problem with having your blend door not working, is that line. Unfortunately, we ran into more vacuum leaks, so we'll have to fix that in order for it to completely fix mine. We'll do a separate video on that. But anyways, if you haven't already, subscribe. Sorry for the short video. And make sure you click that like button. And Adam, what were you saying?
If whoever figures out the tone of that app that went off in my pocket at the beginning of the video, I will buy you a t-shirt. We'll figure out how to send it. But the t-shirts for the option will be our banner here, or a big banner back here, or you can do a little picture of our lovely faces, the one that's just us smiling like this, or you can even, if you really want, you can do a big giant one of that in the back. It's your choice, but you have to guess the app correctly. Only one guess per person too.
So, yeah, first person to guess that, Adam will buy you a shirt.
And I'll pay shipping and handling.
Either one of our logos, however you want it, wherever you want it, and he'll get you that. So, make sure you comment below. First one to comment with the correct app wins.
Bye.
See you guys next time.